Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your quick menu on your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So accessing your quick menu is really easy on the PlayStation 4. Hold down the PlayStation button and it will open up on the left hand side. So all these different tabs on the left hand side that you see, you can actually go ahead and organize these or make some of these disappear if you do not want to see them. Like if you never broadcast on your PlayStation 4 and you don't want to see this, you can go ahead and get rid of this. So on the left hand side, if we scroll all the way to the bottom and go to customize now, we can go to menu items. So we can actually hide specific menu options. Here's broadcast, we can uncheck mark that. Music, we don't use that anymore, or communities. So let's uncheck mark communities. And you can see it goes away on the left hand side. Now if I go over here, you won't see communities under here. So that saves you a little bit of space. So now if you go down to sort, and we can actually sort what we want in a specific order. So if we want like a share play all the way at the top, we can do that. So now if we go over to our quick menu on the left hand side, share play is at the top. Now I usually never use share play, so I like to keep that on the bottom. And at any point in time, you want to just reset everything to how it was and quickly undo everything. Go to reset to default, press OK. Play around with this, get it to the way that you want, and reorganize everything. Usually I like my notifications at my top, friends, party, and online status. But if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.